All right, thank you so much for registering for this e-course to show you how to create what has been one of our most popular recipes, which are the Superfood sandwich cookies. That is the peanut butter, shaga, and the almond butter raspberry.
We come over here, I'll show you how to start blending everything in the food processor. This is the easy ball. Now that one's forming a ball.
Chocolate, and you're just going to spread as much as you'd like on the top here. Make a cool design if you want.
You can leave that on the counter to cool, but it'll be much faster if you throw that in the fridge for 5 minutes, and then your cookies are done.
The finished product.